Hi friends. Imagine being in a place where the night sky is literally torn apart by lightning, and this happens not just a couple of times a month but every night. Yes, we're talking about the mysterious and amazing phenomenon known as the eternal lightning of Catatumbo. This natural wonder can be observed in one of the most picturesque and mystical corners of Venezuela, in the area around the mouth of the Catatumbo River. Today we're going to take a detailed look at what this phenomenon is, what scientists say about it, and the myths and legends surrounding this place. Let's start by imagining this phenomenon a little bit. For most of the year, from April to November, the sky over the Catatumbo River is illuminated by lightning almost every evening. And these aren't just beautiful flashes. In this region, lightning appears with such tremendous force, striking up to 280 times an hour. Sometimes the lightning can continue for hours on end, creating an absolutely incredible spectacle. Just imagine how it looks. The night sky torn apart by massive bursts of light, and the powerful thunderclaps that seem to shake the world itself. This place has become a real natural mystery for scientists and lovers of the mystical, because it doesn't resemble the usual thunderstorms we often see in other parts of the world. Here, lightning seems to exist by its own rules and its presence is almost constant. To understand why lightning appears here so often, let's look at this phenomenon from a scientific point of view. What is happening with the atmosphere in this region? The Catatumbo and Maracaibo rivers form a sort of natural trap, where several factors come together to create the ideal conditions for lightning. The terrain in this part of Venezuela is mountainous, and these mountains, located along the rivers, play a key role in forming this unusual phenomenon. Every night, warm, humid air from the river and swamp collides with cooler, drier air coming from the high mountains. This collision of two air masses leads to the creation of powerful thunderclouds. Additionally, the atmosphere in the area contains a huge amount of methane, which is released from the swamps and oil fields. Methane contributes to electrical activity in the atmosphere, increasing the likelihood of lightning. As a result, lightning becomes a regular companion in this region. Interestingly, despite its rare and powerful manifestations, the lightning of Catatumbo doesn't cause significant harm. The reason is that it occurs in remote, sparsely populated areas, and people rarely find themselves in the center of such lightning strikes. However, their strength and frequency are mind-blowing. Research shows that such lightning can heat the air up to 30,000 degrees Celsius. That's 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. However, despite the scientific explanations, people have always been inclined to give this phenomenon a mystical significance. And it's no wonder that the eternal lightning over the Catatumbo River has inspired the creation of numerous legends and myths. Locals, as well as indigenous peoples, say that the lightning isn't just a natural phenomenon, but messages from gods or ancestors, sending their lightning signs. One of the most popular legends states that the Catatumbo lightning was sent by celestial beings to guard treasures buried somewhere in these regions. Another version is that the lightning is some kind of spiritual shield protecting the land from wrongdoers. Back in the 16th century, when European colonizers were just beginning to settle these lands, the Catatumbo lightning was their ominous companion. The locals believed that it protected them from foreign invaders. So, during pirate attacks, the lightning would brightly flash as if trying to point the way for the defenders. There is also a more mystical version. Some believe that the lightning is connected to the spirits of ancestors, who, in their light, can send messages to the living. As if the lightning is a bridge connecting two worlds, the world of the living and the world of the dead. However, the lightning of Catatumbo is not just a mysterious natural phenomenon but also a key element in the region's ecosystem. Here's an interesting fact. The lightning that occurs here plays an important role in maintaining the planet's ozone layer. The fact is, lightning contributes to chemical reactions, during which ozone is created, which is essential for protecting the Earth from ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Thus, lightning, despite all its destructive power, helps maintain balance in the Earth's atmosphere. Interestingly, in 2010 the Catatumbo lightning suddenly stopped. For several months, not a single lightning strike was seen over the river. This event became a real sensation. Scientists quickly started developing hypotheses, linking the disappearance of the lightning to possible climate changes, human activity, or even natural processes. However, after a few months the lightning returned. But this period of silence remains an unsolved mystery to this day. So, what makes this phenomenon so unique? It's a place on Earth where nature shows its incredible power, where science meets mysticism, and where everyone can find something extraordinary. And here we are, standing on the threshold of this mystery, studying it, admiring it, and perhaps even believing in the legends. If you're interested in learning more about such fascinating places, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Write what you think about the Catatumbo lightning. Is it just physics, or is there something mystical behind it? Your thoughts and support inspire me to create more exciting videos like this one. Thank you for being with me. See you next time, and as always, stay curious and explore this amazing world.